Louisiana is under a state of emergency after deadly storms ripped through that state. 2 News' Kelly King continues our team coverage of the severe weather that rolled through other parts of the country.
Well, at least 2 people are dead after an EF3 tornado tore through northern Louisiana Thursday. The tornado touched down in the town of Ruston, just east of Shreveport, causing widespread destruction, damaging buildings, trees, and knocking down power lines. Officials say a mother and her son were killed when a tree fell on their home. At least 2 counties have had extensive damage. Rescue crews haven't even been able to get to some areas yet. Louisiana's National Guard has been called in to help with recovery efforts.
We haven't completed search and rescue yet. We're obviously hopeful there are no more injuries, there's no more fatalities. We can't say that for certain until search and rescue is complete.
Now, the storms are also being blamed for 3 deaths in Texas. Tornado and severe thunderstorm watches were in effect for parts of Alabama, Louisiana, and Mississippi on Thursday afternoon. Kelly King, 2 News Today, working for you.